Next 19th one. Show that the relation are in the set of real numbers. So again we have real numbers. Real numbers means, for example, 1 by 2 is a real number, 2 is real number, 5 is real number. Yes. So minus 1.5 is real number, like this. These are the real numbers. ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, a less than or equal to b square. So now we are discussing about reflexive property. ಯಾವುದೇ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ರೂಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು 1 ಕಾಮ 1 1 ಕಾಮ 1 ಏನು 1 b ನು 1 ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ರೂಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1 ಲೆಸ್ than or equal to 1 square, so it becomes what? 1 less than or equal to 1. Yes, 1 is itself equal to 1, ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು ರೂಲ್. Or if you take 2 comma 2, yes, 2 on both side you write 2, ಈ ಕಡೆ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದರಿ, ಸೊ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ 2 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. yes, 2 is less than or equal to 4, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ತಗೋರಿ, 5 ತಗೋರಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ 3 less than or equal to 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, 3 less than or equal to 9, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. or if you take -2 comma -2, -2 ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ -2 ಬರೀರಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ -2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೀರಿ, -2 is less than or equal to 4s, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಳಿಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 1 by 2 is also real number. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ 1 by 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. 1 by 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ 1 by 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, 1 by 2 ನೇ 1 by 4 ಗಿಂತ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 4. It not follows the rule. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ರೂಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ರೂಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೂ ರೂಲ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 ಎಂಬುದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 ಎಂಬುದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ 1 by 2 ಕ ಇದು ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 1 by 2 ನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತದೆ 1 by 4 ಕಿಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 4 ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So therefore it is not called as a reflexive or is not called as a reflexive. Or is not reflexive since a comma a does not belongs to R, a not less than or equal to a square. Take an example, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 not belongs to R, 1 by 2 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2 1 by 4, it is not possible. ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 1 by 2 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ 1 by 4 ಗಿಂತ. 1 by 4 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 1 by 2 ಗಿಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು that fails to show the reflexive. It is not a reflexive. Next one about symmetric property. symmetric. For example, I will tell 1 comma 2 is belongs to R because 1 is less than or equal to 2 square, that is 1 is less than or equal to 4. The rule follow mark. 1 comma 2 belongs to R because A1 B2, then rule becomes 1 less than or equal to 2 square means 1 less than or equal to 4. But I am telling 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R because 2 less than or equal to 1 square, that is we have 2 less than or equal to 1. It is not possible because 2 is greater than 1, not less than. So when AB belongs to R, that time BA does not belongs to R. BA does not belongs to R. R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric since A comma B belongs to R means A less than or equal to B square ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. But B comma A does not belongs to R because B is not less than or equal to A square. If you take an example, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 1 is less than or equal to 2 square, that is 1 less than or equal to 4. But 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R because 2 less than or equal to 1 square, that is 2 less than or equal to 1. This is not possible. AB belongs to R, but BA never belongs to R. AB belongs to R, but BA never belongs to R. That is the reason it is not symmetric. Next one, transitive. For example, 3 comma minus 2 belongs to R because 3 is less than or equal to minus 2 square, that is 3 is less than or equal to 4. AB R ದಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A less than or equal to B square rule follow ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು rule follow ಮಾಡಿ. Minus 2 comma minus 1 is also belongs to R as a BC since minus 2 is less than or equal to minus 1 square, that is minus 2 is less than or equal to 1, that also follows the rule as minus 2 is less than 1. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, that time what is our AC? 3 comma minus 1 is our AC, does not belongs to R because 3 less than or equal to minus 1 square, that is 3 less than or equal to 1, it is meaningless. Yes, AB belongs to R ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ BC belongs to R ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ AC R ದೊಳಗೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So that is the reason it is not called as a transitive. That is the reason it is not called as a transitive. ಇವೇ 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 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. R is not transitive since A comma B belongs to R, that follows the rule A less than or equal to B square. B comma C belongs to R, that follows the rule like B less than or equal to C square. But A comma C does not belongs to R because A not less than or equal to C square. If you take an example, 3 comma minus 2 belongs to R, 3 less than or equal to minus 2 square, that is 3 less than or equal to 4, that follows the rule 3 less than or equal to 4. Or if you take minus 2 comma minus 1 is also belongs to R, because minus 2 less than or equal to minus 1 square, that is minus 2 less than or equal to 1. That also follows the rule. But 3 comma minus 1 AB, BC, AC. 3 comma minus 1 never belongs to R, because 3 less than or equal to minus 1 square, that is 3 is not less than or equal to 1. Therefore, it is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So, ಇದು reflexive ಆಗಲ್ಲ, symmetric ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ transitive property ನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Next one, try yourself. A less than or equal to BQ. Same ಇದೇ type. Try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Try yourself. Take this one as a homework.